Hi there, my name is Mia and I'm a member of a Red Cross and Red Crescent First Response team. I'm engaged in many activities to support my local community all year around. We are regularly trained to respond to all kinds of emergencies, from accidents to public health emergencies, disasters, or crises such as earthquakes, floods, population movement, droughts, hazardous spills, epidemics, and wildfires that are becoming more frequent and severe, in part due to our changing climate, affecting millions of people each year. Luckily, measures can be taken to reduce the risks of disasters or mitigate their impacts. First responders can also provide better services to their communities when they are well prepared. Now, if you are a part of a Red Cross or Red Crescent National Society, you know that all that great preparedness work doesn't just happen overnight. It takes a lot of work to coordinate with authorities and partners, to know what risks and hazards we should prepare for, to learn about new technologies for a better response, and get local teams trained and equipped. But also, how to set up early warning systems and protocols, or learn ways to identify the needs of people most at risk. Let me tell you a bit more about what we've done to make sure our response is timely, appropriate, well-coordinated, relevant and effective. Over the past years, we've been working with colleagues from around the organization to review our response mechanism, to learn from past response operations, and discuss what elements could be strengthened. The Preparedness for Effective Response, PER, is the Red Cross Red Crescent approach to measure the ability of any and all national societies to respond to a crisis situation. The PER approach allows us to analyze capacities, strengths, and gaps which exist within a national society response system. The National Society is in the driver's seat to construct a work plan that, when implemented, will contribute to strengthening our overall response capacity. We need to get our priorities right. Use forecast science to respond faster and more effectively. Recent epidemics like COVID-19 and climate-triggered emergencies have shown that we must step up investment in preparedness now, instead of waiting for the next crisis to hit. The choice is clear: delay and pay, or plan and prosper. We know that investing in disaster preparedness is worth it in terms of human lives saved, the speed of recovery, and economic returns. By ramping up investments in disaster preparedness, we can set humanity on a safer course for the next decade and beyond.